Good morning, Mr. Sharma.
Good morning, Mr. Patel. Please have a seat. How can I help you today?
Thank you. I am here to discuss a loan application. I need a loan of 20 lakhs rupees for an urgent personal matter.
20 lakhs is a significant amount. Can you provide me with more details regarding the purpose of this loan?
It's for a family emergency. My mother needs a surgery, and we need the money to cover the medical expenses as soon as possible.
I see. Medical emergencies are indeed critical. However, as per our bank's policies, we need to ensure that all loans are given based on the applicant's financial stability and ability to repay the loan. Can you provide us with your financial documents and collateral?
I understand the need for due diligence. I have brought all the necessary documents, including my income statements, property documents, and the medical reports.
Mr. Patel, while I can see the urgency of your situation, our initial review shows that your current financial situation may not support a loan of this size. Your monthly income and existing liabilities make it risky for the bank to approve such a large loan.
Mr. Sharma, I assure you, I have considered all aspects of this carefully. I have some investments maturing in a few months, which will help me repay the loan. Moreover, I can arrange for a guarantor if necessary.
I appreciate your willingness to provide additional security, but we also have to consider your current debt-to-income ratio. From what I see, it's already quite high.
I understand your concerns, but this is a matter of life and death. My mother's surgery cannot be delayed, and I have exhausted all other options. Please, Mr. Sharma, I am ready to do whatever it takes to get this loan approved.
I do sympathize with your situation, Mr. Patel. Let me discuss this with our loan committee and see if there are any special considerations we can apply to your case. However, I cannot guarantee a positive outcome.
I appreciate your understanding. I am confident that once you review everything, you will see that I am committed to repaying this loan. I am even willing to take additional insurance to cover the loan amount.
Insurance could be an option. However, we need to ensure that we are not setting a precedent that could compromise the bank's financial integrity. Give me some time to discuss this with the committee.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma. I'll be waiting for your response. Please, do consider the urgency of the matter.
Good morning, Mr. Patel. Please have a seat.
Good morning, Mr. Sharma. Thank you for seeing me again so quickly. Have you had a chance to discuss my case with the loan committee?
Yes, we did discuss your case at length. The committee has serious reservations due to the high risk associated with your financial profile. However, we also understand the nature of your emergency.
I appreciate your consideration. Is there any way we can move forward with this loan?
The committee has suggested a few conditions under which we might be able to approve a reduced loan amount. Firstly, we would require a guarantor with a stronger financial profile. Secondly, we might consider collateralizing the full amount of the loan.
I can arrange for my brother to be the guarantor. He has a stable job and a good credit history. As for the collateral, I can offer my property documents as security.
If your brother's financials are in good standing and the property valuation meets our requirements, we might be able to approve a loan of up to 15 lakhs. However, 20 lakhs is still a stretch considering your current financial situation.
Mr. Sharma, I understand the bank's position, but 15 lakhs will not cover the entire cost of the surgery. I genuinely need the full 20 lakhs to ensure my mother gets the treatment she needs. Is there no way the bank can make an exception?
Exceptions are rare, Mr. Patel, especially for such a large sum. We have to adhere to strict regulations and ensure that we do not compromise on our lending criteria.
I understand. Let me provide all the additional documents and details about my brother's financials. Could you please expedite the process? Every day counts in this situation.
I will do my best to expedite the process. Please submit the required documents at the earliest. I will personally oversee this case to ensure it moves swiftly.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma. I truly appreciate your support and understanding.
We will reconvene once we have reviewed all the additional documents. Let's aim to resolve this as quickly as possible.
Good morning, Mr. Sharma. I have brought all the additional documents, including my brother's financials and the property valuation report.
Good morning, Mr. Patel. Thank you for bringing these in. Your brother's financial profile looks strong, and the property valuation is satisfactory.
That's great to hear. Does this mean my loan can be approved?
Given the updated information and the critical nature of your need, I will put forth a recommendation for the full 20 lakhs to the loan committee. However, final approval will still depend on their decision.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma. I am hopeful that the committee will understand the urgency and approve the loan.
I will stress the importance of your case to them. We should have an answer by tomorrow. Good morning, Mr. Patel. Please have a seat.
Good morning, Mr. Sharma. I am anxiously awaiting your decision.
After thorough consideration, the loan committee has decided to approve your loan of 20 lakhs rupees. Given the circumstances and the additional security provided, we believe this is the right course of action.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sharma. You have no idea how much this means to me and my family. I assure you, I will repay this loan as agreed.
I am glad we could assist you in this time of need. We will prepare the necessary paperwork for you to sign, and the funds should be available within the next 48 hours.
Thank you again, Mr. Sharma. I am grateful for your help and understanding.
It's our duty to help our customers in their time of need. I hope everything goes well with your mother's surgery.
I am optimistic now, thanks to your support. Have a great day, Mr. Sharma.
You too, Mr. Patel. Take care.